This is the art of traditional blacksmithing, a skill passed down through generations long before modern industry existed. In many parts of the world, tools are made by machines, but here in the village, iron is still shaped by fire, strength, and tradition.
Today, I want to show you another important traditional skill in this village. Here, local blacksmiths use iron, fire, simple tools to produce strong cutlass used by farmers and villagers for many kinds of works. In this video, we are going to watch the entire process of how a traditional cutlass is made from start to end. Thank you.
The process begins with preparing the fire, using charcoal and carefully controlled heat to create the conditions needed to shape metal. To intensify the fire, a simple but ignious system is used with a wooden board, a car tied to, and a metal pipe. Air is forced into the fire, increasing its heat dramatically. As the air flows through the pipe, the flame grows stronger and hotter, capable of softening solid metal. This locally made device replaces modern machinery, showing how innovative can exist even in the simplest form. This is not just tradition, it is engineering in its rawest form. The metal is then placed into the fire, where it is heated until it glows red hot, ready to be shaped. Then comes the real work. With strength and precision, the blacksmith begins to shape the heated metal. Each strike is deliberate, guided by experience and years of practice. This metal is traditional made designed, very quality, heavy, strong and thick. Without this metal, there is no any blacksmithing anywhere in the world. This craft is more than physical efforts. It is knowledge built over time, passed from one generation to the next. This very step is called final touches. Yes, it is, because the essential tool is crafted. When a metal is heated until it grows red hot, transforming it becomes 35% easy. Once the desired shape is achieved, the metal is cooled, strengthening it for practical use. Now, the blacksmith carefully shaped the metal plate into a ring. This ring is crucial. It fits perfectly around the wooden handle, forming a strong foundation for the cutlass blade. Every curve and size must be precise, ensuring the blade stays secure during use. In many rural communities, blacksmiths play a vital role, providing tools that support farming, building, and everyday life. Even as the world continues to modernize, this tradition remains alive, preserving a vital part of our cultural heritage. After the cutlass is made, its strength is put to test. used for clearing weeds. The tool proves its durability and effectiveness in real working conditions. Strong, reliable, and built to last. It reflects the skill and craftsmanship of the blacksmith. This is not just a tool, it is the result of tradition, skill, and hard work.
This is how traditional blacksmiths in this village make strong cutlass using simple tools and hard work. If you enjoy African village tradition and local craftsmanship, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.